Good evening. This is Manish Sharma from Make My Stock. Today we will talk about brief analysis on market, how it went last week, and what can be expected next week. And then one of the recommendation which I have shared on Reliance. So let us discuss about what I mentioned earlier video. I had shared that Nifty I am not having any trade and I will wait for a bottom formation. If you see this move, there was a continuous downtrend and it made a low of somewhere around 15,670, I think. Low is 15,635. Okay, this is the low, and I think there was another candle few days before when we had the same low formation. If you see this candle, it has also made a low somewhere around 15,640, and this candle closing also, if you see, it is 15,640 again here. So multiple support and resistance at the same level. So this was the place where market took a rebound, and if you see the candle which has formed is called hammer formation. So this is a strong hammer formation after the downtrend of 4 to 5 days. So this clearly indicates a reversal from this level. So I am suggesting a buy on Nifty. If you get somewhere around 15,700 level, my target is 16,000 to 16,200, anywhere during this range. At least once I am expecting that market will show 16,000 level on the screen. Last time when market was heading at this zone, I had mentioned that this was 15,859. I had mentioned that you will not see 16,000 on the screen, and after that there was a dip. Then again upside came, but 16,000 level did not touch. I think the high was 15,915. But this time this high will be broken, and at least once you will see either intraday or closing basis, I'm not sure, but intraday at least you will see 16,000 level on the screen. So that's my view on Nifty. I have added long position on Friday itself. Next, I had mentioned my view on Reliance. So if you remember, or if you go through my previous video, I had asked to add long position. I had clearly mentioned the indicators. Indicators were very bullish, and I was talking about slow stochastic, which was somewhere around I think 8 to 9, somewhere in the single digit, and Williams percentage was 97, 98, I guess. And I also mentioned that MFI is very low and there is a rebound possible from this level. And if you see last Friday candle, it is called bullish engulfing candle. So entire previous day red candle, bearish candle is submerged by this candle, bullish candle. So this is called bullish engulfing candle. So I see a strength. I had mentioned that double bottom formation is in progress. If you see the resistance which I was talking about, the same place we had a bottom formation 2060 level. I had mentioned that should not break. So that's what it has happened. It is consolidating at this level after multiple days of making a same level of low. I think it has made a higher low in all the candles. So 2080 or 2085 somewhere. It has consolidated 3 days, and then after that there was a spike. So there is a resistance at this level 20, should be 2040, I guess. And which EMA is this? If you see this color, this purple color, 10 EMA. So it's a 10 EMA 2134. I think there might be a gap up opening Monday, and if once it crosses this level, I'm expecting this top level to come again. So this is somewhere around 2250. 2260 was high, the recent high. Somewhere around that, at least 22 plus, I am expecting the target for this. So I am also holding long position in Reliance. That's my disclaimer. You can do your own analysis and enter into these two trades. So Nifty long and Reliance long, these two are only two recommendation as of now. Level of entry I had mentioned earlier, and one thing is that I am not in long position for longer time or for a big target, only for a smaller time frame. Only for next week I will be in a long position. Maybe if market continues to rise to 2 to 3 days, then I will book out my long position. So that's my view. and you can trade based on your analysis. You can do your analysis, and accordingly you can enter into a trade. Any loss or profit, me or my channel will not be responsible. And also a request to everyone, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe and share my video, and if you like, kindly click on the like button. Thank you everyone, thanks for watching. Bye, happy trading.